right, let's settle the debate. I want a gym membership. I only want to go to the gym for an hour a day. Hour a day, 4 days a week. This man
not good enough.
wants to spend an hour and a half at the gym. An hour on weights and 30 minutes on cardio. Who the f*** who lift weights? No, I'm not buying you that. Interrupted me. No. Who finna lift weights for an hour? Not I, said the cat.
You got the way.
Shoot. Out the way. I'm trying to find these chairs. I don't know where I'm going.
You want to go to the gym just to look cute. That's what you trying
Oh,
to
here
do.
they go. Let him tell it.
You trying to go to the gym to look cute.
I'm just trying to go to the gym and get the job done to go home.
An hour ain't gonna do it, man.
Yes, it will. About an hour every day. Oh, here they go. An hour every day. Up until we go to the beach. It's more than enough time for me to get where I need to be. Pick out a color, sir. Any one of these colors. We're going to Jazz in the Park. And I got my pink chair. That's a kid's chair, sir. To any of these to the left, sir. He don't know what he's gonna do. Get your green chair. If you want to. There go a blue one. Since you were picking up blue. Huh? You don't want blue?
No, this one right here is good.
All right. Mr. Man.
This one.
Let's go check out, mister. A gun? You said look at it or get it? He lost his pen. Knife. So I can shank somebody.
Who you gonna shank?
You? That's who.
You wish. I need
I could shank you in your sleep. You wouldn't even know. I'm like, why you think we finna get this big old safe?
You wouldn't lay a finger on me.
I wouldn't lay a finger on you?
No.
Here you go.
Get back.
No, why you got me back here? You don't need no another pocket knife. You got a knife with your name on it.
I know, but I need another one.
For what? You ain't got but 2 hands.
What that mean?
You need one knife. I don't know what's wrong with the guy.
What you mean?
You don't think strategic about where you should place your guns.
I'm gonna have one.
Then you watch the Kevin Hart.
I'm gonna have one in every room, bro. You in the back of the house?
What you trying? You throw that at me, we gonna have a problem. You better quit bouncing that ball on these people's stuff or they put you out.
What they gonna do to me?
Put you out.
What they gonna do to me?
Put you out.
What do you wanna leave?
To do what? You ain't getting in no water.
I go fishing, man.
Boy, you don't even know how to fish.
I don't.
Tell me how you fish. What you do? What you do?
Put some bait on the line, throw it out there, reel them in.
No, why would you put that right there?
I'm not gonna buy it.
What? You trying to camp in the backyard?
Yes. We have, you know what I'm saying?
They ain't got no TV out there.
We can do some s'mores, all type of shit.
How we gonna do that? You gonna build a fire?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see this. When you trying to do that, honey?
We can do it this weekend.
No, I'm good. We ain't got no tent. Sorry, Charlie.
Tent right there.
I'm not buying that. That ain't no tent. That's for hunting.
Well, if I had something, boy, they had something my size, I would buy them. Hands down.
Why you would have bought them?
Got Alabama on.
I mean, what that supposed to mean? I'm pretty sure somebody sell them somewhere else too.
Man, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Yeah, they not even all that. This one.
That one look nice. You like that one?
I like that.
You talking about this?
Yeah, this pink one.
Man, it look like a
It's a mountain bike.
that's a witch bike. No, that's the beach cruiser. The one Debo had.
Okay.
That one.
What you want me to get him a big old bike?
Go back. You guys right
I
here.
mean, like,
How much did one cost?
about $100.
It's $130. $130 for that shit. No, we go right down here to the ones I like.
Bro, that's a nice bike.
Yeah, it's nice.
That one got LED. What about that one? I don't want no big little long bike. Okay, what about this?
That one nice. That's a kid bike though, man.
I don't give a damn.
But how you gonna ride a kid bike?
Look at my legs. Don't I look like a kid?
Maybe.
Get out of my face.
You might look like one.
I don't even have the legs to be getting a long bike.
Babe, we can get matching bikes. I can get the big one, you get the little one.
Oh,
Go get the
you got all the jokes. You have all of the jokes.
I get the big one right there. It's
How is
$100.
like cheaper?
That's $100, man. We can get that. You can get that today. What about that one? Like that one? That one nice.
I like those.
Childish. My goodness. Let's see if I can get this one. Nah, I'm gonna get. Oh, hell nah. I want that spend up $400 on no bike.
What? I like that light blue bike.
This,
I like that.
man, that bike right here $400. For what?
Adult mountain bike. This one's $350. I like that bike. It's really nice. Okay, what about this one? This one looks kind of short.
I don't think so, man.
This bike,
You see the wheels on it?
okay, what about this? The wheel, what the... 1 minute the wheel's too small, next minute the wheel's too big. Like, which one is it? Which one can I have?
That one right there, damn, that bigger than you.
Okay, what about this one? I like this one. This, This too high.
You let the seat down.
That bike itself sit up high.
That damn bike. $1,500.
I'm gonna give me a electric bike.
You want a $1,500 bike? I wouldn't dare. I wouldn't dare.
You feeling good?
I feel so much better. I don't know if y'all heard it, but he was cracking my neck, boy. I feel like I do a 360 around.
Alright, let's not end up having to go back.
You said what?
Let's not end up having to go right back in there.
Oh, boy.
Turning too hard.
Boy, chiropractor make you feel like a new man.
I tried to tell you that when I was going, but you don't listen.
Hey.
God damn.
If y'all ain't going to the chiropractor, y'all know what y'all missing. Go to your local chiropractor, get cracked up, I'm telling you. Alright, y'all, so we back at the crib. We been back at the crib for so long. She went to sleep.
Don't do that, because I ain't been to sleep.
She went to sleep. But if you haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you need your back cracked, go to the chiropractor, man. I highly recommend that for everybody who's stiff, neck hurt, got some pains or something, anything, man. Go to the chiropractor, bro. You know, $30, $40, you know what I'm saying? They gonna get you right, get you cracked up. leave out there feeling real good, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, hit that like button for us. We appreciate everybody who's been watching us, man. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't already subscribe. If you haven't already liked, let's just go back and like all the videos. You feel what I'm saying? Just like all of them. You know, get us up in that algorithm, man. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get seen, trying to get. You feel we finna turn up with this thing. And yeah, we'll see y'all next video.